let's talk about overloading. So we've got methods that exist. It requires some parameters from me, and let's say it requires 2 parameters. I can have another method, same name, that requires 3 parameters or a different data type. So we call that overloading. Okay. So overloaded methods are methods that have the same name but different parameter lists. The return types of the methods have no bearing on whether the methods are overloaded correctly or not. It's simply about having the same name but unique parameter list that makes methods overloaded, meaning what we're passing to it. Okay. I could have a program that receives the parameter age and name. One's a number, one's a word. I could also have another method of the same name that just receives name and not age. The age version requires more parameters or receives more parameters. They both do about the same thing, but it's ready to receive it the right way. And when we pass these things over to it, which one executes, the system looks to see what's what as far as the data types, and that it uses the correct version of that method. Okay. Overloaded methods are said to be ambiguous because they are so flexible. Okay. So when it comes to methods, we're not stuck with just one version of a method. We can overload them. Okay. Beyond that, we've got a couple of parameters. We've got the ref and the out parameter, and I'll have some videos to where I'll show how they're being used. Okay, and deal with those in the exercises themselves. All right. So it's not something that we're going to dig deep into at this point, but we'll deal with it in the exercises themselves. You guys are doing a great job so far. As always, ask questions early and often. That'll get us where we need to be. I'll see you in Chapter 9. In Chapter 9, we're going to deal with creating classes, creating properties. Okay? So take your time, don't overload yourself, and stay on top of the schedule that I provided at the onset of the class, knowing what's due and when it's due. I'll enjoy the discussions, and I'll see you in the next